Hello, my dear friend. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are new on my YouTube channel, then subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest update. As you know, I am bringing new crypto project in which you can invest and get profit. So today, I am bringing a new amazing cryptocurrency project. Its name is Infinix Chain. In this video, I am going to share each and everything about this project. So guys, before we waste our time, I am starting the video. Infinix Chain, Trust and Security in Web3 Crypto Exchange. Infinix Chain empowering the future with our own layer 2 blockchain. And as guys you can check here, Infinix Chain is an innovative layer 2 blockchain built to revolutionize the decentralized ecosystem by addressing scalability, transaction speed, and cost challenges. And as guys you can check here, Infinix pre-sale stage 1, you can check here 1 FNX is equal to $0.01. Next stage price you can check here $0.012. You can see this 2 days 16 or 4 minutes remaining. You can check here USD raised amount, token sold amount, you can check here. So guys, first of all you can connect your wallet. You can click here and connect following wallet connect phantom wallet. So guys, you can select your wallet, then you can select payment method. You can check here, you can select payment Ethereum card. So I select payment Ethereum, then you can click here and enter your Ethereum amount. Then you can enter your Ethereum amount. For example, I enter Ethereum amount 1000, then you can receive FNX now. So guys, you can check here, and next guys you can see this white paper of this project. So guys, you can click here and see this page is loading. It's take time. Then you can see this Infinix Chain white paper PDF open. You can check here abstract detail about this project. Infinix Chain empowering the future with our own layer 2 blockchain. You can read it carefully. Advantage of POS. You can check here, and next guy you can see the smart contract deployment detail. And you can check here why choose Infinix Chain for smart contract, developer friendly tools, cost efficiency, high capability, speed and reliability. And next guy you can check here Infinix Chain tokens detail, FNX token utilities, how Infinix Chain stands out. You can read it carefully all detail about this project in white paper. And next we back to the home page, and next guy you can check here explore details. So guys, you can click here and see this Infinix Chain explore details, stacking testnet, earn passive income easily with just one click. You can check here what's trading. You can see this DAO, make DAO 5% APY. You can click this and stock now. You can see the Ethereum DAO 3.7% APY. You can click this stock button and you can see this BNB baby swap 5.8% APY. You can click here, then you can stock now. You can see this, and next you can check here pools, earn reward by stacking in our trusted and profitable pool. You can check here all pool. You can stack now, then you can withdraw now. You can check here stacking process. Number 1, you prepare funds. Stack. Number 2, stack assets. Number 3, earn yield. Number 4, collect proceeds. You can check your stacking process, and next guys you can check here more detail. And next we back to the home page and see this more detail about this project. So guys, you can check here more detail. You can scroll down and see this partner of this project: Binance, Bitfinex, Coinbase, Teammate. You can check here, and next guys you can scroll down and see this about us of this project. Innovative blockchain for the decentralized world. Infinix Chain is a cutting-edge layer 2 blockchain that addresses scalability, transaction speed, and cost challenges. Built on the proof of stake and consensus mechanism, we offer an energy efficient, high performance blockchain that developers friendly and ready for the decentralized future. You can check stacking, launchpad detail, explorer, exchange detail. You can read it carefully, and next guy you can scroll down and see this platform solution. So guys, you can check stacking platform, lock your tokens and earn rewards while contributing to the network security and governance. Decentralized swap platform. Exchange token instantly and securely with minimal fees, contributing to liquidity pools for passive income. Decentralized exchange. Trade assets securely with high liquidity and advanced trading tools, all without intermediaries. You can check your solutions. And next, guys, we discuss how to buy. So, guys, you can check you can how to buy FNX in 4 simple steps. You can see this. Number one step: connect your wallet. Choose a spotted wallet like MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or Phantom. Click on Connect Wallet on the pre-sale platform and authorize the connection. Step 2: buy FNX tokens. Enter the amount of NX token you want to purchase, then click buy to initiate the transaction. Step 3: confirm the transaction. Improve the transaction in your wallet and wait for the confirmation to complete. Step 4: claim your tokens. After the pre-sale ends, reconnect your wallet to claim your FNX token. You can also track your purchase tokens anytime on the pre-sale bar. And next, guys, you can scroll down and see the secure features of Infinix Chain ecosystem. Lowest transaction fees. Infinix Chain Layer 2 architecture significantly reduces transaction cost, making it ideal for DeFi applications, micropayments, and more adoption. Lightning fast speed. Transactions are proceed in seconds, ensuring a smooth experience for users even during periods of high network security. Robust security. The ecosystem is secured by advanced cryptographic protocols and smart contracts added to protect user assets and data interoperability. Seamless integration between all platforms ensures a cohesive user experience. You can check here, next you can check here scalability, development friendly, community centric governance. You can read carefully all detail. And next you can check here Infinix Chain Token FNX. The Infinix Chain Token and FNX is the native cryptocurrency powering the Infinix Chain ecosystem. It plays a central role in transaction governance, stacking, and rewarding participants. You can check here FNX token utility, transaction fees, stacking and rewards, governance, incentives, smart contract operations. You can check here ITIL. You can see this pre-sale 50%, team 10%, development 15%, marketing 10%, reward 5%, liquidity 10%. And next, guys, you can check Infinix Chain roadmap, pioneering the future of decentralization. A step-by-step journey to revolutionize blockchain technology and empower the decentralized ecosystem. You can check here 2026 and beyond. We realized a full integration of AI-based trading and analytics tools, continuous update to ensure the platform's scalability and efficiency, enhanced community-driven governance with FNX token holders. 2027 and beyond. Expansion into untapped markets including real-world asset tokenization, collaboration with governments and enterprises for blockchain adoption, establishment of Infinix Chain as a leading sustainable blockchain ecosystem. So guys, you can check here, and next guys, you can see to 2024 laying the foundation. In 2024 customer 1 project inception and concept validation, initial team assembly and partnerships established, research and development of the Infinix Chain architecture. Customer 2 2024 development of core blockchain protocols, tokenomics design and white paper release, community building and early supporter engagement. And next guys, you can see this more details. 2024 customer 3 launch of Infinix Chain testnet for block public testing, strategic partnership with DeFi and NFT platforms, FNX token pre-sale launch and marketing campaigns. And next guys, you can see this more detail about this project roadmap. You can read it carefully. Audited customer 4 2024 Infinix Chain mainnet launch, integration of stacking platform and validator network, initial decentralized applications. You can check our roadmap 2025 ecosystem expansion. You can see this 2025 customer 1 launch of Infinix Chain decentralized swap platform, introduction of cross-chain interoperability features, onboarding developer with SDKs and APIs. You can check here our roadmap about this project. And as guys, you can see this Infinix Chain token pre-sale live. So guys, you can join us. So guys, you can click the join the pre-sale live now, and you can see this. So first of all, you can connect your wallet, then you can join the pre-sale and buy now. We'll discuss this how to buy step by step, and next guys, you can check here more detail about this project Infinix Chain. You can see this, you can check here fact what currencies does the Infinix Chain exchange. Next guys, you can see this $1 million reward. You can click here and see this Infinix Chain $1 million reward giveaway. We are thrilled to announce our $1 million giveaway where 50 lucky winners will win $1 million, $10,000 each, and one lucky participant will take home the grand prize of $500,000. You can check here ongoing task, join our social media channel. Number 2, stay active daily in our Telegram group. Step 3, like, comment and retweet all our posts. Step 4, vote for us on Coin Sniper. Step 5, refer your friends to join the pre-sale. And next you can see this grand reward, grand prize. You can check here $500,000. You can see this, you can check here how to join. Complete all tasks listed above. Submit your ERC20 wallet address. View the form on our website. Stay tuned for the winner announcement. 50 task winners and one grand prize winner. So guys, you can participate now, then you can get reward now. And next guys, you can see the document detail, edit detail about this project. You can read it carefully, all detail. And next guys, you can join this project on following social media platform: Facebook, Instagram, Telegram, Twitter, Discord, TikTok. So we go to this project official Twitter page. So guys, you can see this Infinix Chain official Twitter page is open. You can follow this and get information about this project. You can check here all posts about this project. Infinix Chain pre-sale is live. You can check here current pre-sale price 0.01 per FNX. Next day price, you can check here your coin market cap listing submitted. You can like and comment this post and retweet this post about this project. And next guys, you can see this media about this project. So guys, you can click here and see this media's highlights, replies. You can check here, and next we back to the home page. And next guys, we go to this project Telegram group chat community. So guys, you can click here and see this page is loading. It's take time, then you can see this. So guys, you can check here Infinix Chain Telegram group chat community is open. 6,564 members that join this group. So guys, you can join this group. And next we back to the home page, and next guys, you can enter your email, then you can subscribe now and get latest information here. So guys, this website video is finished. If you like my video, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest update.